Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the sounds that these guys make and seeing if they are reused or new, which I'm pretty sure they're all reused, just slightly tweaked in a way. We'll start with Griped here. So those definitely seem to be reused, but warped in a way. It's interesting to see Mattel reusing the same sound clips, which it makes sense in like budget and costs and whatnot, but a lot of them are just movie clips, sound clips from the movies that are being reworked and reused, and it's starting to get a little repetitive in some of the figures. We'll see if it's any better with these guys. Yeah, we've definitely heard those before. Okay. I'm not entirely sure what scene those were from, but they slightly ring a bell with the Carnotaurus fight scene and Indominus Rex sound clips. Ooh, is that Triceratops or Ankylosaurus? Here. Yeah, I think Ankylosaurus. Interesting. Those? Not entirely sure. I'd have to compare the sound clips to previous figures, which I should have lined them up here, but there's just so many to go through. Oh, that one was interesting. Okay, weird. Those don't ring any bells either. Let me know down in the comments what you think these sound clips are from, what dinosaur from the movies, what scene. I'd love to know because I'm drawing a blank on that one, which is pretty cool. If these are new sound clips that haven't been used in previous figures, this adds to how cool the Megalosaurus figure is. Like, obviously, like, the sound effects, like, from that clip, you can pinpoint it to a distorted scene in the movie, but I really think that with these ones, they kind of work them to be different from previous figures. I may make a video down the road comparing them to sound clips from previous figures, but I think a lot of my older figures have run out of batteries, like, yeah. I'd have to change quite a few batteries on those guys, but I don't think these have been used in the same way. At least, like, they've been altered slightly to be different. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys think down below. And be sure to check out my unboxing videos on these guys if you haven't already. And subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.